Hello, this is Carrie Cito with Kirby Chan and Company at Keller Williams Realty Centers. Welcome to 4 Sawyer Crescent. This is a beautiful, well-maintained home that has been updated through the years. It is tucked away in a quiet crescent in the sought-after neighborhood of Markham Village. This home has it all. Great curb appeal, a backyard oasis, and over 2,550 square feet, plus more living space in the finished basement. Come on in and take a look. Imagine living at 4 Sawyer Crescent. As you drive home, the beautiful wood trim catches your eye. There's lots of parking in the oversized 2-car garage, and the driveway can fit 4 more cars because there's no sidewalks. As you enter the house, the fast foyer offers a dramatic touch as soon as you walk in the front doors. The main floor has a well-laid floor plan with great flow consisting an oversized living room, a formal dining room, and a cozy family room. I can just imagine the warm fireplace and having family movie night on a cold winter night. The grand focal point is the gourmet kitchen with tons of cherry wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and beautiful backsplash and granite counters. Relax in the breakfast room and sip your morning coffee and gaze out to the beautiful backyard. The first highlight of the second floor are the 2 large skylights that brightens up the house. The second highlight are the size of the 4 bedrooms, which includes a large master bedroom with an attached den and a spa-like 3-piece ensuite. Down the stairs leads you to a fully finished basement, filled with natural light. The large open concept rec room is perfect place for your home theater and kids to play. It also features a convenient 2-piece powder room. The backyard oasis features a beautiful heated in-ground pool, interlocking stone patio, and full privacy fencing. The southern exposure ensures plenty of sunshine throughout the day. I know that you must be loving this home for you and your family. End your search here by reaching out to us to book your private showing. Call us 416-305-8008 or email us info@kirbychan.com。如果想預約參觀嘅話，請致電我哋嘅中文熱線416-505-6285。我係 Kirby Chan 地產團隊嘅 Carrie。This is Carrie from Kirby Chan and Company. Thank you for watching.